Hello and welcome to Make Explore Art. Now today I'm going to have a look at mind maps and how to create them. I'll show you two different versions of my own mind map based on the theme habitation. A mind map can be quite personal, so really think about the title and the theme that you're given so that you can expand greatly from this. Things to consider: the composition or layout of your page. Do you want it landscape or portrait? What kind of font do you want for your title? Does it need to be large? Does it need to take center stage, or could it just be very small in the corner? How do the images that you maybe have added link together in some way? And then finally, moving on to the words for your mind map. Try to link these as closely to the theme as possible, but also expand your own vocabulary at the same time. Remember, this is just a starting point, so anything that you put on this mind map might be significant or it might not be. But we need to start somewhere, and having a go at thinking of words relating to our theme is usually a very good start. So for my second mind map, I'm choosing to use the pylon images as my starting point. I quite like the lines and the geometry, and also I like that interference with nature. I could simply cut and stick this, but I think actually linking to the shapes that I see within the pylon, I can always cut some shapes out of my resource as well. I hope this has given you a couple of ideas in how to create your own mind map. Remember, really all you need is a pen or a pencil and a couple of ideas linking to your theme. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to Make Explore Art for more tips, tricks and tutorials, and see you next time.